Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove image backgrounds using Inshot editing app.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove backgrounds from image using Inshot. So follow this video till the end so that you don't miss any part. Once you open your Inshot, you tap on the photo, then it will take you directly to your file manager, to your gallery. So it will take you to your gallery. What you do is to choose any image. You choose any image that you want to remove a background. Then after selecting it, you tap on this option below the dashboard. You tap on this option of cutout. You select cutout as I'm going to show you here. You tap on cutout, that option. Tap on it at once. Yeah, you tap on it like that. After doing it, you again tap on that option, that one. Then you select, you tap on the tick. You tap on the tick. Alright. And then you move back and go to the backgrounds. Tap on backgrounds. Tap on backgrounds. Then from here, you choose any background which you feel you want to use. Select any background of your choice. After selecting it, you just tap on the tick, and then after you save your image with a new background. So that's what you go through to remove backgrounds from images using Inshot. Yeah, thank you for watching my videos, and if this is your first time being on this channel, consider subscribing. And if you like what we do, kindly like this video and share it with your friends. Share it so that YouTube can recommend it to more other people. Okay, let me try to show you the process again. Let me repeat it for you. After selecting the image, you tap on cutout. Tap on cutout. Then you tap on that option at once. You just tap on it. Then the background will be removed automatically. Then you tap on the tick. Then scroll and go to backgrounds. You go to backgrounds. Boom. You choose any background which you feel you want to use. Just select any background of your choice. After choosing a background, you tap on the tick. Then you save the image. That's what I wanted to show you. That's a simple process which you can go through to remove the image backgrounds. So thank you for watching this video.